Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to add captions in CapCut. So here, to add a caption in CapCut, first you need a video and also an audio right here. And we're gonna add a caption in CapCut. When adding a caption, just click on the top left corner. You can see captions. Then click on generate. After doing that, you'll have to wait for the generation. Then we go, as you can see.
Apple name banana.
But now it's on white because it's white, so we're gonna make it black. There you go.
Apple name banana
That's
is a
a
happy and
fun banana. There you go. As you can see.
fun banana. Apple name banana is a happy and fun apple.
There you go. And now I'm gonna give you some best practice tips for doing your captions. So best practice tips in doing your caption is aim for at least 12. Let's say just making the captions for the videos, some stuff like that. Let's say the caption is um, aim for at least like, for let's say example, the word is um, at least aim for at least 5 to 12 words max, like 5 to 12 words. Let's say the word is like the word in the audio is, we're gonna put in the audio, the caption is this this is the best armor combo for wolves. Now you're gonna change that up. So what you're gonna do is try to max it out, make it a little bit smaller, but also understand the same point. So let's change it to ultimate wolf armor combo, something like that. As you can see, like the word earlier is like about like 8, something like that, but now we make it like up to 4 words only. And add numbers or maybe power words, like say for example, you want to make like something like this: top 3 secret weapons, something like that. And match the tone with the audience. Let's say if you're doing games, you need to be fun and hype caption. If you're doing like professional one, you need to have a clean and formal captions, like something like that. And make it visually balanced, like center the caption to align them constantly, and use a large fonts, like about, let's say, like, or fonts, let's say this is for that, like the TikTok thing, like here the what they call this, the ratio of it, it's like TikTok. So yeah, so we need to increase its format. So let's say, yeah, scale it a bit like that. You can make it a little bit much bigger, make it bold. There you go. So, and another thing, guys, what do you call this, another thing, um when best practice for caption is keep it reliable. Like use large and clear forms, and stick with high contrast text. So yeah, so style, pick 1 to 2 fonts only for your whole video. So let's say your first font is this, and then your second font is yeah, yeah, this one. Your second font is like, it's like this one right here. So you only have to
Is a
do
happy
only have to do is pick between 1 to 2 fonts only for the whole video. So don't change it up like 3, 4 fonts because it's gonna make it look a little bit silly and it won't look good even for a funny video or something like that. Just choose between 1 or 2 fonts for the whole videos. Yes, use bold emphasis or italic for italic tunes that say put that there, put that there. Make it a little bit bold and italic. And highlight keywords. Let's say this let's say this armor is insane. Okay, we're gonna cap insane. There we go. So highlight the keywords in your captions. Let's say the keyword, for example, let's say insane. So insane should be highlighted. Like let's say put a yellow color on it or change its color to yellow. There you go. Or put a yellow background on it. Wait. Let me put some yellow background here. Background. Then put a yellow one on the insane. Let's see. Wait, sorry. Just highlight it. Just highlight it. Make it capital and make the others not capital or something like that. Or you can just make a different approach to it. From that there. There you go. And put this one right here and make it highlight like the insane word. Make it much extra bigger and much more like that. So let's say this.
The happy and fun banana.
I'm sorry for the happy and fun banana. We're just gonna remove the happy and fun banana. Audio volume. There you go. So this armor. Let's say the caption is this. This armor is insane. So make the insane much more um big, and don't do what I'm doing, like putting it far away. Just put it near to each other like that. Sorry for the font that I picked. Choose a font that like best suits the video. I just choose this font for just because I was too lazy to find any fonts better. There we go. At least make it look like that. There we go. This armor's insane. Like make the what they call this, highlight the keywords of like the video. Like this armor is insane. Very good. Highlight the insane part of the video and time your captions. Sync it with the speech. So let's say you're not using generation captions right there. Just try to sync it. Let's say at this part, just try to sync it. Like for example, I'm gonna put back the voice right here. There you go. Like this part right here. Let's see.
Is a happy and fun banana.
So we need to put this as a happy and fun banana. Is a happy and fun. The banana part comes right up, I think right here. So I think this is gonna go banana. So we're just gonna highlight the banana. Let's say our keyword's the banana. There you go. Oopsie. There you go. That. Then split.
Is a happy and fun banana.
See, as you can see, it's a happy and fun banana. So we're gonna play it one more time.
Apple name banana. Is a happy and fun banana.
See, as you can see right there. When it says banana, the word caption always comes. The caption, same with the speech, is together. Like it syncs with each other. So yeah, that's always time your captions with the audio, and yeah, much of platform styles. Let's say you're using TikTok Shorts, and when you're using TikTok Shorts, you need to make it big and centered captions with emojis. Yeah, and when you're, let's say, using YouTube, and it's a long form, make it small, like around if you're using if you're using this one right here, if you're using what you call this CapCut, make it a little bit small, but not that small. Let's say about like this, 120, right? That make don't make it too large and too big. If it's a long one, if it's like a silly video or something like that, you can make it large and change the font into something like a silly font. Like for example, sorry guys, I only got the free one. But let's say mm, this one right here, something like that. There you go. Just match it with the platform style, and always add captions if you are speaking, or at least use simple language, and so it can help for non-native speakers. But only do that um if you're making it for like um um making it like for a wide range of people. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go, guys. And a quick tip for you guys, small tip for you guys when making a video like this. Always considered, always focus on the timing of the voice to the caption right here, and always make it a little much more simpler to read, and also always have that style. Just just follow the style of the video, if that helps. If that helps you understand it, follow the style of the video. If the video is like more on scary, put in a scary font, and captions should go. It should give like a scary vibe to it, if you know what I mean. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.